Let's go get him again.
This video is a great example of a frag head that gets sold off the note breakdown. Hey, it had fig and coconut in the note breakdown. Sold. And of course, a great looking bottle. Now this is, I gotta admit, this is a good looking, they brought the bulb, Issey Miyake bulb look from the Majeur series here back. So the bottle looks great. The note breakdown looks sexy. So let's see if this fragrance is worth a cop for all of you. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing, not really, this is a tester. I'm giving a first impression on Fusion d'Issey by the house of Issey Miyake. It's a 2020 release, so one of their newer releases on the fresh end of things. Now, the bottle, the note breakdown made me buy this one. Complete transparency, hell yeah. I blind bought it just on the strength of how good this bottle is going to look in my collection and the note breakdown that I saw. Now, I love how they brought back the bulb bottle, first of all, of the Le Majeur series. That is a great look for their bottles. I hope they do that with the rest of the line. That's a plus. So I've been checking out the darker Issey Miyakes. They've been doing a great job with those. But this one goes back to the Issey Miyake roots. It's going clean, at least from what I think. This is a summer release. So let's delve into it. Let's crack this one open. All right, it's time to crack open Fusion d'Issey by Issey Miyake. Let's sniff this one out. Let's see what this one gives me. Ooh. Ooh, she's fresh. Very smooth, very clean. A little on the lactonic side of things. Fig will do that. Coconutty, not as much as I wanted it to be, at least not on the strip. Very smooth though, very clean. It has a little bit of a woody aspect to it. Definitely does not smell like the original L'Eau d'Issey Pour Homme. It's getting away from that. It has a little bit of a citrus appeal up top too. Not that beautiful yuzu that they utilize, so it's not as big and sparkly as the yuzu. Yuzu's very well done by the Issey Miyake house, but this is a lemon drop, but it's not as good. And it does have that watery, I feel like clean, easy to wear, very aromatic. It's definitely better than Le Majeur. The Majeur one was terrible, synthetically bad. This one is, man, might as well. Yeah, it has it's got a lactonic opening, creamy, a little, it's got that lemon. I'm in the middle with this one. I don't know what the reviews are on this one, if they're going in the positive end or the negative end of things, but definitely if you're looking at fig and coconut, you know, as excitable as I am with those two notes, do I think either one of these stand out? Again, fig, by the way, fig can give out a coconut-like feel. Case in point, Marc Jacobs Man. Just a great cheapie that has a coconut appeal, but it's the fig that's doing that. Not a bad release in regards to the opening. I like it fresh. I'm looking forward to putting this one on skin and see what the back end of this release. It feels like, I don't know. It feels like it's not going to give me much in the back end. I'll be honest. It's not really saying much to me here. Oh, it's got a little bit of spice to it, a little bit of cardamom in here, but actually, at the end of the day, this opening, as far as this unboxing go, Fusion d'Issey, Definitely not a wow introduction. I've had some wow introductions from Issey Miyake. Their summer edition 2009, that was a wow, like immediate. They got a few other summer ones that I was just like, yeah. Some of their darker ones too have some very good openings, but this one right here, it's a good opening. It's not a great one. I like it. It's much better than the Major that I just reviewed. I hate bashing on it and continuing to bash it, but it is what it is. Fusion d'Issey has some potential, at least in this unboxing. So I'm excited to try this one out, especially with spring and summer coming up. I'm looking forward to trying this one from the house of Issey Miyake. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Let me know, let us know what you think on of this particular release. I like the presentation, the bottle presentation. I like that they brought back the bulb look. Always a positive for me. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching YouTube. Have a good one.